So see, this is an mouse. See, you are seeing here a light, blinking light. Yesterday we discussed now. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we discussed about the part of the mouse. Yes or no? So here it is left button. This is your right button. Yes or no? You have to see like this. So this is your right. Okay. So this is your left. This is your right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is your scrolling wheel. See, this is like a wheel or no? See this?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about your mouse.
Yes, ma'am.
Left, right, and this is your wheel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Left, right, and this is your scrolling wheel. This is about your mouse. Yesterday we seen this. Yes or no? It is having a two buttons, left and right, and it is having and middle exactly a scroll wheel. Yes or no? And this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
connecting wire. This is your connecting wire. So nowadays you are getting the wireless mouse. Yes or no? Without wire, we can use it. Okay. So what is the use of this mouse? What is the function? Can anyone tell me?
To select the things.
Yes, to select or open the files which are present on our computer screen, we are using the mouse. So no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are using the
Yes, ma'am.
mouse. And by using this scroll wheel, we can make your page, that is whatever our screen, we will do it as an up and down. We can move our screen that. So no? The page of the any program we can move up and down by using this scroll wheel. Okay. Now yesterday I explained you about the mouse pad. See, this is called as a mouse pad. Okay. If I keep my mouse on this, it will work smoothly. Okay. This is called as a mouse pad. For sleeping, you are using your bed or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why are you using the bed for the sleeping? Why can't you sleep on the mat?
Mouse.
Huh? Why are you using the
Mouse.
bed only for sleeping? Why not sleep?
Comfortable.
What?
Comfortable.
Yes, it is uncomfortable, and you can say this is smooth. So no, it is a soft
Yes,
yours.
ma'am.
Bed is a soft compared to the mat. So no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So like this, our this mouse will be work smoothly on this pad. Okay, this is called as a mouse pad. What it called?
Mouse pad.
Mouse pad. Where we are using our mouse, we have to move here. So if I move here and there, it will move smoothly. Or you can say it as an properly. Next we see how to hold the mouse. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How means? See, this is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
mouse. Keep your thumb on this. Okay, I will show you like this. See, your thumb should be on the left side. This is your left, this is your right. Keep your left thumb on this side, left button will be pressed by your index finger. So we have to keep your index finger on left side and middle fingers on your right. Like this you have to hold the mouse. Okay?
ma'am.
So
And
this is your thumb 41. Page number 41. This is your thumb, index finger, middle finger. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
So this is about your holding the
Yes,
mouse.
ma'am.
First you have to keep your palms here. Next your thumb should be on the left side, index finger on the left button and middle finger on your right button. If you want to scroll, you have to use your index finger like this. You have to move the wheel. See, I will making the movement of the wheel. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Like this, you have to make the movement of the wheel. So for that, you have to keep like this while scrolling. So while scrolling, you have to press this left button. This is your right and this is your left. Okay? Like this, you have to keep and like this, you have to make the movement of your wheel. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First, you have to keep your palm. This is your left side thumb, left button, index finger, right button, your middle finger. While scrolling, you have to use your index finger like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next comes about your mouse pointer. The arrow that you see on the monitor is called as the mouse pointer. Wait, I will show you. See children, are you seeing this pointer arrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is called as a pointer. This is called as a pointer. This arrow, this is called as an pointer. Okay? You seen that pointer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is called as a pointer. The arrow that you see on the monitor is called the mouse pointer. This is called as a mouse pointer. This is like an arrow. This look like an arrow, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that is called as your mouse pointer. Where your mouse is moving, that direction it will be showing them. As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, see if I make a movement of the mouse here, I will make it as a left, right, up and down. That time that arrow will be moving here and there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So see, I will making here a movement of the mouse. See the arrow also moving. Yes or no? Up and down, left and right. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the movement of the okay. So next, as you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves in the same direction the monitor. It is also known as a cursor. What is another name for the mouse pointer?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a cursor. What it called? Cursor. So this is called as an cursor. So the pointer is another name for this cursor. It is an cursor. Pressing the mouse button. Pressing the mouse button. How to press the mouse now? Pressing the mouse button is called as a click. When we press means just we have to give the pressure on this button. How you will switch on your buttons? Like this, you have to switch on. See, a light is blowing. This is called as a clicking. What it called? Clicking, correct. Okay, here it is having a single click and double click. What do you mean by single? One. Single means one. Double means? Yes. So single click. When we press the left button of a mouse once, it is called as a single click. You single click to select items on the monitor. So you have to type only once. You have to give it is press only once. Once means only one time. Okay, that is called as your single click. What it called? Single click. Just keep your index finger on the left button and just press once. Okay? This is called as your single click. And we are using this single click to select another file which are there in our computer. To select the files or the items which are there on our monitor, we are using this single click. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So next comes about your double click. Okay. Next double click means when we press the left button of a mouse twice very quickly. This is a mouse 1, 2. So here we have to just press twice 1, 2. Got it? So this is called as a double click. Means at a time we have to press same button twice. Got it? 1, 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is called as a double click. Single means only one time. Double means it is a 2 times, but it should be a quickly. You should not wait for the second click. At a time, we have to give it as a double click. Okay, and we are using this double click to open the files or items which is present on our monitor. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this is called as a single click and double click. Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Children, if you are having any doubts, you can ask me.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Next comes about your right click. When we press the right button of a mouse once, it is called as a right click. Means left click means it is called as a single and double click. But when you are going for our right click, means this right click, it will come as a right click. Right button click means we have to press our right side button. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right means right button. Single and double click if you are to use your left button. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Remember this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
You right click to see a list of actions you can perform with an items. After we are clicking the right click, we are getting the option as what should we do with that program. Okay, if you want to rename that file, if you want to delete it, or you want to move from, or you have to copy from one to another, that option will be there. Okay, if you right click it, that option will be open. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is about your right click. This is left and this is your right. Okay? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Arohi, any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Today Arna is not there. Okay. So next comes about your dragging. So see, when I press, means what? We have to keep my index finger pressed here. Okay. We have to keep the press over here and we have to move the this mouse. This is called as your dragging. What it called?
Dragon.
Dragging, not dragger. It is a dragging.
Dragging.
Dragging. Dragging means what? Driving means what? You are drive the car. So no. Moving the car. It is called as a driving or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, it is called as a dragging. Means we have to make the movement of our mouse in the monitor. This is called as a dragging. Means we have to press this left button with our index finger. We have to give the pressure over there. And you have to just make the movement of the mouse. It is called as a dragging. What it called?
Dragging.
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 When we keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse, it is called as a dragging. You drag the mouse when you want to draw or when you want to move items on the monitor. When you are using the dragging, when you want to draw. Okay, while drawing, you are dragging the mouse, or while items where will be you are moving 1 plus 2,
Ma'am, page number.
another you using the this dragging. Next
And
comes
page
page number 43. Next comes about your scrolling. Scrolling means one page is open, that you are making it as an up and down movement of that page. It is called as your scrolling. With the help of this wheel, see I will just make the this wheel should be movement of this wheel. The page will be moved up and down. So that is called as your scroll. When we move up and down a page on the monitor, this is called as an scrolling. We can scroll a page by rolling the scroll wheel up and down. This is down, this is up, up, down, up, this is down. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this completes your chapter. Tomorrow we will see the assessment zone. What is they given? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Till now, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So children, listen children. This is your work lesson number 5. This is your lesson number 5. Let us click. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
For your homework it is, you have to just read this lesson full. And tomorrow I will ask the questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Bye children.
Bye, ma'am.